Braemar Ducted heating not turning on. Full troubleshooting and reset guide. Fix 1. Check the basics. First, step 1. Ensure the power supply to the heater is on. Check your switchboard or fuse box for any tripped circuit breakers. Turn the unit off and on again at the power point. Step 2. Inspect the controller or thermostat. Make sure it's set to heat mode. Set the temperature a few degrees higher than the current room temperature. Step 3. Replace batteries in the remote or wall-mounted controller if applicable. Low or flat batteries can prevent startup. Fix 2. Reset the Braemar heater. Step 1. Turn the main power switch, usually located near the outdoor unit or in the fuse box, off. Step 2. Wait 5–10 minutes to allow the system to fully power down. Step 3. Turn the power switch on again. Step 4. On your wall controller, press and hold the up and down arrow buttons at the same time for a few seconds until the system beeps or resets. Fix 3. Clean filters and vents. Step 1. Turn off the heater. Step 2. Locate and remove the return air grill and filter. Step 3. Vacuum or rinse the filter, if washable, then let it dry completely. Step 4. Reinstall the filter and ensure all room vents are open and ensure all room vents are open and unobstructed. Fix 4. Check the gas supply. Step 1. Ensure the gas isolation valve near the outdoor unit or meter is fully open. Step 2. Test other gas appliances, e.g., stove, hot water, to confirm gas is available. Step 3. If there is no gas at all, contact your gas supplier or plumber. Fix 5. Test or reset the controller. Step 1. Remove the controller from the wall bracket, if removable, and check for corrosion or loose wiring. Step 2. If it runs on batteries, replace them with fresh ones. Step 3. Perform a factory reset. If the model supports it, refer to your manual. This usually involves holding specific buttons for several seconds. Step 4. Try turning the system on again.